I don't know, just come this side. Shine them back this other way. Yeah, down. Shine them back. See that down here running all the way. Get the gaff ready. Yeah.
Look, I gotta watch my back, I gotta watch my back. Dodging demons, coppers, oppers probably hate me cause I'm black. I don't know, I be spreading love, sometimes ain't mutual. Just a seed that's from that darkness, but that's what it takes to grow. Still in flow, still in motion. Couple homies with me and we sipping on that potion. Wide awake for dreams, why these other niggas dozing? Shut the fuck up when the realest niggas spoken. The realest niggas spoken, yeah. I gotta watch my back.
What's up, guys? We going check bait like that, but fuck, we've been jacking up holes and always had the bait on, so we're gonna slide this GoPro down right here, my fucking Jimmy rig contraption. Slide this fucker down, check the bait so you guys can see. But yeah, we get back to you guys right on. Gee. Oh, set me one of this. I get one 35-gallon live bait well. This fucker. I don't know when to slide these fuckers out, bro. Fuck, I had one more Kealii but didn't jump out last night because I never had this cover on. But yeah, I just ain't grab one Parker. Look at that fat Moana. Look at that fucking whole butter. Just slide your ass out, doggy. I get 3 pumps too going, just for make sure they're still alive. And I just I get one right here. I get 2 holes. I went drill at the 35 gallon mark. So I just keep on adding new water in and flush the old water out. Keep them happy and alive. 3 air pumps. 1 stone stay all the way down, and then these 2 stay kind of floating a little bit. Tonight gonna be the first night we're gonna actually fucking. Today was the first day. Fucking slow today, bro. Only 2 baits got stolen, and we don't even 3 baits got stolen, and we don't even know what was like. Never really whacked or anything. Just brought them up with the. We brought them up with the bait gone, so that's that. But yeah, we get back to you guys later on after when we're cutting up the Parker or that. I don't know. I like slide that in newly, but this place is on dead bait place, so it's a kind of not bad medium-sized Parker. I think I'm going half them, slide them both out, and I'm gonna leave the Kealii. Fucking slide that fucking Ninui tomorrow, I think. Yeah, you guys, we'll get back to you guys when by. Gee. About the camera. Yeah, you guys, this is one of our cameras right here. It's on this is not the one I usually use. This is a Nikon, I don't know what kind, D35. I usually use the Panasonic Lumix, because that bugger, yeah, he shoots 4K 30 frames at the most, but this one only shoot 1080, so this video is going to be in 1080. Yeah, We just chop it up with some bait, but I wanted to show you what some of the gears I use. What I'm using now is on GoPro. But Bombay, we're gonna chop up some poohies, bro.
Right now.
Right now. Gee, chocolate them. This fucker was out all day. Nothing was around. So we're gonna. Okay. So we're gonna take care of him later. We're gonna send him out later because we're gonna start pooing now. Lively still. Look at that. Yeah, this fucker was out all day too. So we're gonna recast him and throw him right back out. What up, brothers and sisters? It's fucking Friday morning. Fucking last night was a silent fucking night, boy. Nothing. Dead last night, cause. But that's alright. Just gonna check some shit right now. Set up some fresh life bait. With just power rain, fuck. I had to run up to the tent. It's getting soaked out here. Turn on the pump for the fucking fishies. But we get back to you guys, Bombay. Shoot. Ponchu's going out. Yes, sir. Hee. No, I'm talking to the camera. Yeah, you. Pachi out. Pachi out. Brother just to catch a fat parker. Can I show you what came out of his mouth, the parker?
Fish.
Oh yeah, what kind of fish that? This thing just didn't show up that fish. Brother just didn't hook this parker. We're gonna slide him tonight. Fresh bait, boo. Can I tell it's digested? Sure. Okay, that's black hole right here. Kinanui going out, bro. Big boys, let's go. Gee. Yes, sir. No way is he still alive. He's still alive. Fucking poo-pee-pee. Shut up. Try hold him in the fucking thing real fast. Put him in the tank. I'm gonna try we cast this just like this. Nothing was around. Just real fast, huh? I just gonna recast. No. I'm gonna cast this out just like this. So hold that real fast. We're gonna slide his ass right back out. Oh, brought a second parker. We just didn't reel up. He went reel up.
He threw up my fish. He threw up another fish.
Yeah, he threw up his Moana Kealii.
And that's what Moana called.
Now we get 2 fucking baits for fucking tonight, bro. Brother's pole going off. Brother's pole going off. His fucking pole paw. Brother's pole paw. Gee! You stay on. You stay on. Take the drag. Take the drag. Take the drag. Is he on? He on, huh? Reel, reel. Yes, sir. Brother, stay on. Brother, stay on. I'm gonna take out the tie down. Reel. Keep on reeling. What's that? Omiru. Wait, wait, wait. Get it out. Get out. Go, 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 reel. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What is that? Omiru. Oh. Reel, reel, reel.
Oh.
Oh. Fuck. Oh, boo. You was scrapping. You lost on Omiru probably. Reel. Oh. Watch out. That's a stock here. Fuck, boy, you just in losing fish, bro. Real. Brought us poor paw, just in fucking action. We was cooking up there. Fucking Terry's, bro. Terry's pineapple sausages, boy. Breakfast of champions, bro. We gotta get energy because, you know, we get feelings tonight. We're gonna fight something big. Yes, sir. Gee. Oh, brothers, dunking shit action again, bro. Probably was not a big coohie for bait. He was dunking hair legs from his Uncle Randy. Wait, time him with the wave. Oh, yeah, that's some big coohie.
Oh, red?
Yeah. Okay, here, let me pull some up for you. Kind of big one. Yeah, we go hang him for Paulu.
Oh, the crab's right.
For real, watch out that. Ah, fuck. Wait. There we go. Oh, it's not bad, fucker.
What kind is that?
I don't know. It's good for Paulu though. You get one sharp teeth though. Yeah. The other one though, that he just had, he had one other hair leg. He had one other hair leg on his pink pole. He had one other hair leg on his pink pole. But that one we hit hard, like was on fish, like fucking. That wasn't strike. This is, we could tell, like it wasn't moving. Not bad, huh? Not bad. Right now, brother is on. Fuck this thing. Is it another one?
Ew.
You can boost them up, or you need me to them? Oh, all the way over there. It's another parker. Right there. Give daddy. Let him go out with the wave. Around this rock. No? Okay, we go boost them up from here. Wait. Let him go. Go around. Oh, she's stuck on the OPE. She's stuck on that OPE. Now she's stuck on that fucking... There we go. Yeah. Sorry. Paula, we're gonna hang this fucker. No, that's not Parker. I don't know. Paulu. Good, we eradicating the eels, so tonight they're not gonna steal our bait. Okay, we're gonna have to Alberto this fucker again. Yeah. Another one. He's getting all the action right now. He just did dunking some hair legs. Oh, you should dunk him now. One tail piece, small tail piece of him. Yeah, I think you're gonna dunk him. Oh, brother's fucking pocket tail going off. Not a poohie. Oh, came out. Reel him up.
Good.
Fucking poohie head.
This good. I don't want to.
I know, yeah. Okay, back it up. We'll put one lead on and cast his ass out. This fucker still going. Lively yet. We had him out all day, about from early this morning. Hopefully.
Nothing came around to eat that.
Yeah, nothing was around, bro.
Only my pole.
Only his pose. The air, you fucker. I know you like that air look. I'm hearing right into the bubbles. We should just slide his ass right back out, yeah, since we get the pole ready. Not a poohie. Gotta get one more poohie, one big fucker. Look him, benders. Oh, bandas. Big poohie. Maybe we go slide this fucker fresh. Yee! Yeah, you. Look him. Watch your stance. Make good stance, yeah? Because look, the puka down there. Oh, there's some big parka. Yeah, I go boost them up for you. There's some big one. Holy shit, that's some big one. Holy shit.
I was just about to drop the gun and then I saw it like bending.
Holy fuck, dog. This is on Dinosaur, cuz. Oh, dog, you were fighting this? Ah, shit gone broke. That's alright. We was fucking sliding the poohie head, fuck him out.
Third time.
Anyway, guys, it's Saturday. Fuck, we would take everything up. All we get is this easy up just in case rain, because we'll get some clouds. Get my poles, the gaff, huts. That's about it. Water, sleeping bags, chair. Everything is loaded up on the trailer, in the truck, ready to leave tomorrow. We went hunting a little bit bait this morning. We got one kupipi, one mamo. I was kind of hurting today. Something was wrong with me, but we all more better now, so we more better. Yeah, we just waiting for the nighttime. We get pakas, we're gonna slide out. We're gonna hunt some uluas tonight, boy. But Bombay, we get back to you guys, because you know it's been a boring trip, but hopefully something can happen. And then tomorrow we'll be headed to the weigh-ins and shit. Yes, sir. Gee. Yes, sir. We on, boys. We on, boys. Spotlight the fucker. Out this way. Yes, sir. Hey. I don't care, it's outside this way. He's too far out, look at my line. Half my line gone. Yes, sir. Come on, Ulua. I'll take this one. Come on, baby. You heard that ratchet?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. That's what it's all about, boy. You gonna go around, go the other way, straight the other way. You're going over the line, huh? I gotta go over this pole. Go up. Is it over this line?
Yeah.
Stop it from going that way. Flicker the light. Flash, flash, yeah. Okay, bright, bright. Come on, baby. Get out of here.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Stay over there. Oh. Come on, baby. Oh, this fucker. Busting my ass right now. Fuck. He coming. Go the other way. Go the other side.
Where?
Okay, okay. don't know. There. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah, came out. Oh, come on, baby. Keep coming, bro. Keep coming. You're gonna come, boy. Fuck. Go straight on the other side. You run around me. Go around me. Yeah. So you're gonna go around that line. Keep coming. I'm gaining some line. Slowly. Heavy. Yeah. Yes, sir. Shine that side. To the right, to the right. Yeah. Who, you?
Yeah.
What about me? I shaking. Fuck. Should be seeing color soon. I gotta go under. I don't know, just come this side. Shine them back this other way. Yeah, down. Shine them back. See that down here running all the way. Get the gaff ready. Shine. Lift your light, your headlight for oh! So big Ulua, I think. Go down. Shine, shine. Hold on. Come shine. Oh, stay on the rock. Get away with the wave. With the wave. With the wave. With the wave, with the wave. The line, stay on the rock. Yeah, coming. Fuck! It's a fucking shark. Fuck. Heartbreaking. Oh, that shark kicked my ass. Wait, with the cutters. Wait, let me see. Hold on. I got. Is that a shark? It is, yeah. Bitch. Oh, that shark was scrappers. Go back up. No wonder why my headlight no work. Still upside down. Oh boys, I was on fucking shock. Scrappers. Well, at least I brought them in because it came to a point where I thought I would lose them. I was on fucking battle, my son. That was 10 minutes. Oh, fuck. Yeah. What time now? Right at the high tide too. Oh, bruh. That was the big poo he had too. Oh. Oh. That was action. Well guys, it's Sunday morning. It's about 5:30. Sun is rising. We was breaking down. We was about to go home, wash off some shit, take a nap, shower, and then shoot them hilo to the weigh-ins because it's about a 2-hour drive for us from where we live. So, you know, yes sir, but we get back to you guys, Bombay. We're just finishing cleaning up the rest of our trash. Trying to leave it how we left it, you know? Yes sir, bye-bye.
The realest nigga spoken, yeah. I gotta watch my back, I gotta watch my back, ayy. I gotta watch my back, I gotta watch my back, ayy. I gotta watch my back, I gotta watch my back. Dodging demons, coppers, hoppers probably hate me cause I'm black. I don't know.